Hello my darlings, it's back to school season and today I'm bringing to you guys one of my most highly requested videos as of late. Quick and easy hairstyles that are perfect for back to school. Before we get started, this video is sponsored by Ana Luisa. All of the jewelry that I'm wearing in this video besides some of my DIY rings are from Ana Luisa. As you can see, my collection from Ana Luisa is growing so big and I just love my collection and where it's at. I love to mix and match different pieces. On my neck, I'm wearing two of my favorite necklaces, the Soria's butterfly necklace and also the Daisy Mikan necklace. On my wrist, I'm wearing one of my new favorite pieces, which is the Ember Daisy bracelet from Ana Luisa. And on my ears, I'm wearing my new favorite earrings that are these adorable gold flower hoops. I'm wearing the Ariel and also the Brielle earrings. As you guys know, Ana Luisa is by far one of my favorite jewelry brands that I've ever had the pleasure of working with. They offer all types of different jewelry, from cute to elegant designs, all at a fair price point for luxury pieces. If you guys haven't checked out Ana Luisa already, click on my link in the description box to get a discount on your next order. Complete your back to school outfit with some new pieces from Ana Luisa. Lately I've been getting a lot of requests to bring back hairstyles for short hair, so today I'm wearing a wig for all of my short hair hotties. For this first hairstyle, I'm going to section off two small pigtails, and then I'm going to tie them off with elastics. Then I'm going to braid them off into regular 3-strand braids, and then using my fingers, I'm going to tug on each sides of the braid to give it a lot of volume. With short hair, you want to use tricks like these to make it look as voluminous as possible. Then I'm going to tie off these braids with an elastic. Then taking this braid, I'm wrapping it around itself so that it creates a super fluffy looking bun, and then I'm going to use some bobby pins to keep it in place. Then I'm repeating on the other side. You can stop here or you can continue on to dress up this hairstyle a little bit more. I'm taking about a 1-inch section of hair right above my ear, then I'm braiding this off into a 3-strand braid and again loosening up this braid to give it more volume. Then I'm tying this off with an elastic and repeating on the other side. I'm going to accessorize with a ton of cute pearl and gold floral hair clips. I really like using claw hair clips to accessorize buns, so that although this was an extremely easy and quick hairstyle to do, it looks a little bit more dressed up. This next hairstyle is an incredibly easy 30-second hairstyle hack. I'm pulling back a half updo and tying it off with an elastic. Creating a little slit in the center, I'm going to tuck the hair underneath itself, and then I'm going to flip the hair upwards. Then taking the hair from the sides, I'm going to sort of fluff it up and cover the ends that are peeking out through the top. Then taking a hair claw, I'm going to clip this right in place. And this is how you can create an interesting looking half updo to get all of your hair out of your face in a really quick and easy way. Legit, this took like 30 seconds to do. Separating 3 inches of hair from in front of my ears, I'm tying this silky bandana over my head and creating a knot in the back. Then working in 1-inch sections of hair, I'm taking my first section and I'm pulling it back and looping it underneath the scarf. Then I'm going to continue taking 1-inch sections and repeating the same motion of looping it beneath the scarf. In total, I looped 3 sections underneath the scarf. And then I'm repeating on the other side. And you can stop here for a braided headband effect, but I'm going to tie back a small half updo ponytail, and then I'm going to secure a white silk bow on top of the elastic. And that's it for this first hairstyle. Literally only takes 2 minutes to do. I was thinking that this hairstyle would look super adorable with any school style outfits, so anything with a blouse or a skirt. This next hairstyle is a fun little take on buns. So first I'm creating 2 small little pigtails, and as I'm tying it off with an elastic, instead of pulling it all the way through, I'm only pulling it halfway through so that it creates a little loop. Then I'm taking the ends of the hair and I'm wrapping it around the base and then bobby pinning it in place to keep it secure. Then I'm going to add some clips at the front to give it a little bit of decoration, and that's it for this hairstyle. Super easy and fun to do, and I feel like it looks really cute. It's a little bit different looking from usual buns. For my next hairstyle, this is a 1-minute hairstyle hack. I'm starting off with 2 little butterfly clips at the top of my head just for a little bit of added cuteness. Then taking 1-inch sections of hair, I'm starting to braid downwards with a regular 3-strand braid. But you know how when you're braiding your hair, it starts to get all tangled up at the end? Well, the trick here is to not untangle the ends of the braid. You're going to continue to braid down, and as you're braiding, it's actually going to create a braid on the bottom as well. So you're going to continue braiding until you reach a about a middle point where both of the braids meet together and there's a little loop in the center. You're going to take the braid at the bottom and loop it through that little hole and then smooth out the braid as best as possible. And that's actually a hairstyle hack for how you can create braids without having to use elastics. And that's it for this super quick and easy hairstyle. Literally only takes a minute to do and is super fun and cute, and you can definitely accessorize it in so many different ways. I remember when I was back in high school, I used to love to goof around in class, and I would like to braid my hair and I would like to braid my classmates' hair. So I feel like if I was back in school, this is the stuff that I would be doing in the back of the classroom. With my butterfly clips still at the front to give a little bit of extra cuteness, I'm going to do a regular 3-strand braid and tie that off with an elastic. Then taking my 2 braids in the front, I'm going to join them in the back and tie them together with an elastic. Then I'm using a butterfly acrylic clip to hide the elastic, and that's it for this other quick and easy hairstyle. The next 3 hairstyles are going to be variations of each other. So taking a small 1-inch section of hair near the top of my head, I'm pulling it away from my face and twisting it away once. Then I'm taking a section of hair right below it, joining it with a twist and then twisting away. Then I'm going to repeat this pattern of pulling in small sections of hair and twisting it away from my face as I move down my face. Once I reach the top of my ear, I'm tucking it behind my ear and then I'm securing it in place with a small acrylic clip. Then I'm going to accessorize with more butterfly clips up along the twist. Then I'm repeating this on the other side. And this is the first variation of this hairstyle. This is a really quick and simple way to dress up your hair. The next variation of this hairstyle is that I'm going to create 2 small little braided pigtails. Then I'm going to tie them off with elastics. Then to hide the elastics, I'm using those same acrylic butterfly clips. I feel like this is a really cute hairstyle for even days where you have to go to the gym. You know, you just kind of want to get all of your hair out of your face, but you still kind of want to look cute some days. Then the last variation of this hairstyle is I'm going to create 2 mid-height pigtails with elastics. Then twisting it away from my face, I'm going to twist upwards, and then I'm using that same butterfly acrylic claw to clip this in place to create 2 little buns. And that's it for this final hairstyle. Again, literally all of these hairstyles can be created between 1 to 2 minutes, which makes it super easy for back to school. For our next hairstyle, this is literally another 1-minute hairstyle hack. I've been really into scrapbooking lately, and I realized that I had these super cute pearl adhesive strips from Daiso, so I just started sticking them in my hair. Then to accessorize and to make sure that the elastic strips stay in place, I'm just clipping over them with some bejeweled hair clips. And that's it for this hairstyle. Another fun little hairstyle hack. I feel like it's a really quick and simple way to dress up your hair to make it look extra cute. So that's it for this video. Thank you again to Ana Luisa for sponsoring this video. Don't forget that if you haven't checked out Ana Luisa already, and use the discount code there on your next order. If you guys are starting school soon, or if you guys have already started school, I hope you guys have a great time. Stay positive, and I hope you guys have a great start of your school year. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys again next week. 우린 참 잘 어울렸어 거짓말 가게는 흔히 날 고백 우리 미래 속에 잊혀진